Today, we're going to look at the simple addition of hundreds, tens, and ones, which will get us ready for when we're doing the adding of three-digit numbers all the way starting tomorrow. So all the ones you're going to see on your first page today are going to look like this. They're written horizontally. You won't need to write them vertically to solve them because there won't be any new groups that are made. So I have an example of each kind that you'll see. You will see hundreds added to hundreds with no tens or ones. For those, I just do 3 plus 2, which is 5. And then I have my two zeros, 500. 300 plus 200 is 500. You will see hundreds added to tens with no ones. So here, I'm not adding any new hundreds, so it stays 4. I am adding 6 tens, 460, and then I still have no ones, so 400 plus 60 is 460. You'll also see hundreds added to ones with no tens. So my hundreds stay the same. 700, I still have 0 tens, and then my 0 in the ones place becomes a 9. 700 plus 9 is 709. You will also see hundreds added to a 2-digit number that has tens and ones. So here, my 8 and my 3 just take the place of those two zeros. 500 plus 83 equals 583. You will also see a number that is 100 plus a full 3-digit number. Here, my two zeros are going to be replaced with the 5 and the 9. 59, and then I look at, I have 600s plus 200s, that's 800. So 600 plus 259 is 859. On your second page, you're going to see problems that look like this. They're going to ask you for a total amount after they give you different amounts of things. So for this first one, Jason is making chocolate chip cookies. He has 4 bags of 100 chocolate chips and 36 chocolate chips left over from last time he made cookies. How many chocolate chips does he have? So it's going to want you to draw a picture. So if I have 4 bags of 100, here's my hundreds boxes. I have 4 of them. And then I have 36 left over. That's 3 tens and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that leaves me with 436. So that goes in my box. And my label is chocolate chips. If I can't fit it all on the line, I'm going to start my first word up here. And I'm going to make sure that I spell it right because it's given to me. Chocolate is how you spell chocolate. Chips. For the next one, it says Hannah gets out all of her markers. She has 2 bags of 200 markers each, 3 bags of 10 markers each, and 14 loose markers. How many markers does she have? This one's a little more complicated. So each of her bags has 200 markers in it. So here's one bag that has 200. Here's her second bag that has 200. So that's going to give me 400. Then 3 bags of 10. Then she has 14, which gives me another 10 and 4 ones. So drawing this one really helped me get it all together. I end up with 400, 40, 4. This one has 3 different 4s in it. They all stand for a different thing. 400, 40, 4, and my label is markers. Make sure that I spell it correctly because it is given to me. So now you're ready to do workbook pages 267 and 268. Make sure you check your work and submit them as a video on Seesaw when you're done.